Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn free Bitcoin directly to your faucetpay account. And when you reach the minimum of faucetpay, you're going to be withdrawing your earnings directly to your Trust Wallet account without any investment. And when I mean no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. So guys, all you need to do is to follow me to the end of this video so you can know step by step on how to do this. So welcome back guys. If you know you're watching this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box down below. Now when you click on the link in the description box below, you're going to be directed to this site, and as you can see over here, this faucet requires a faucetpay account to claim, and you can claim from up to 10 satoshi of Bitcoin every 10 minutes of your free time. So all you need to do is to come over here and impute your Bitcoin faucetpay address. All you need to do is to go to your faucetpay and copy the address, and I'm going to be doing that right away. So guys, when you are on your faucetpay, all you need to do is to tap on the deposit, which is over here. Then you're going to be copying your addresses, your Bitcoin address. As you can see over here, all your wallet addresses is over here. So all you need to do is to tap on it and it's going to be copied. Then we go back to the site and paste it over there. So guys, we're going to be pasting our Bitcoin address now by holding on it for long and paste, and your address is going to be pasted successfully. So all you need to do is to scroll down and click on the claim, which is over here. And when you click on claim, you're going to be completing some captcha, as you can see over here, to process. And mind you, a lot of ads are running on this site, so you have to be careful in order not to tap on them to distract you from any. So after doing the captcha, all you need to do is to tap on verify captcha. Now when you click on verify captcha, you are going to be rewarded with your earnings. As you can see over here, 2 satoshi has been sent to my faucetpay account. So guys, this is how you are going to be earning free Bitcoin directly to your faucetpay. And when you reach the minimum of faucetpay, you're going to be withdrawing your earnings directly to your Trust Wallet account without any investment of any kind. So guys, I'll be heading to my faucetpay account to see if this payment have actually arrived. So guys, as you can see over here, 2 satoshi has been sent to my wallet immediately. So guys, this is how you can earn for free on this site. And also, to increase your earning, all you need to do is scroll down, copy your referral link, which is over here, share to your friends and loved ones so they too can also earn, and you earn 50% of their earnings in commission. So you're going to be receiving 50% commission of their earnings to your faucetpay account directly. So guys, please and please, if you know you enjoyed this video and you like what we'll be doing on this channel, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified. And also click on the end screen, which is going to be appearing on your screen, to also watch my next video on how to make some free money in cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.
So